Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. Most likely a very short update. There's actually just a couple of things I want to say, and I accidentally, for some reason, messed up my recording that I did that's like 15 minutes long. So very short version right now as it's almost becoming dark. Let me quickly say this. XRP lawsuit, very important right now. Let me share it with you. They are on the verge of winning. I am not trying to say that the lawsuit is over within a couple of days or a couple of months. I actually just bought myself a stand, which would be fine if I did not mess up my recording, and then I would have the light. Right now, I might have to hold it like this so you guys can see me in the sun. Sorry guys about that. I think they're on the verge of winning, honestly, based upon the fact that they're trying to deny the SEC side every single thing. I think you guys are noticing that too, right? Every single time the XRP holders want to intervene, what we're seeing is, no, the SEC is trying to deny that. I keep thinking, okay, they should be in some sort of settlement talk already based upon the idea that it's impossible for the SEC to convince the judge, okay, XRP holders want to intervene, give their 2 cents on the matter, and the SEC is like, we think we want to deny every single part of that. Okay, XRP holders are saying, this is not the reason we bought into XRP, you're having it wrong. SEC is like, no. So then there's this FOIA Act, right, where Empower US is trying to come in and say, okay, you know what? We want the SEC to be investigated properly, but nobody's trying to hear that. Then they're like, okay, let's give us some information about how exactly made up these rules and everything like that. They don't want to do that. I keep thinking about this every single day. Made me just kind of realize the chance of Ripple losing is so ridiculously small. I'm going to say 5%. The way I'm saying that is because everything's been so crazy that I'm thinking, okay, let's keep this margin for error. Let's keep this margin that they might lose based upon the fact that nothing makes sense. But for the most part, it's just set in stone if you were to ask me. And for that reason, guys, I'm having this strategy and I want to share it with you guys really quickly. I am buying right now XRP like crazy, even though there's nothing that changed drastically. The documents are starting to become more and more confirming to me that the chance of winning is just ridiculously high, or at least that the chance of a big revolution, in the sense that every single crypto company is going to be sued afterwards and every single crypto holder is not going to be safe, is just becoming too ridiculously high. So what I'm doing, I am doing two things. One is I'm hoarding altcoins, but specifically just crypto as a whole, more than ever. All right, Bitcoin right now, as I'll talk about in a different video, is nearing a very critical bottom. And we're going to have to see, it just got rejected at 20,000. Might actually break through 19. If we break through 19, I'm looking for 16,000. But I'm hoping it gets held up at 19,000. So let's just kind of wait for that to see. There's actually one specific chart I'll show you guys in another video that I'm watching carefully right now. That's going to decide a little bit more about what I think is important with altcoins though. If Bitcoin bounces back up, buy altcoins. If Bitcoin breaks down below about 18,000, I don't think buying altcoins is smart. Even though institutions like Grayscale are buying Cardano and mostly Cardano, I think like crazy. I think for my own portfolio, Algorand is a very institutionally backed proper crypto to buy. But regarding XRP, let's kind of skip the Grayscale strategies where regarding Grayscale, we follow the money. They are buying a massive amount of Cardano. I think it's hugely smart to follow their money because, well, they have the best connection to the pension funds. They're the biggest crypto asset managers. It's logic, you know, you follow those guys. They got rid of Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, sell those garbage ass coins, you know? They got rid of it, they most likely are not really happy with it, or there's some regulatory uncertainty, like for example with XRP. For the other two, for Bitcoin and Litecoin, I don't see that being the case. Regarding XRP once more, the thing I'm doing is I'm buying. The only negative side is, okay, the lawsuit might take a long time, right? I got a little thingy. That's that little margin though, where I'm thinking there's actually a second strategy as well, which is conditional buys. I'm just gonna quickly put this out because the light is almost out since I messed up my video, guys. I'm so sorry. What you can do at that point is you, for example, conditional buys at, let's say 70 cents, $1, Why? Well, the moment that XRP lawsuit settles, I honestly think it's gonna go to maybe the likes of $3, $12. So if we are buying, for example, at 70 cents, it is possible that there's a crazy pump happening where you get faked out. But how often can that happen, right? How often do you get a crazy fake out pump like that? Not often. So let's say we do that once and the price dumps back down because there's no settlement just quite yet. If we do it again, it happens again, fine. Because the third time, if we do manage to buy at that point, I think the gains will way outshine any losses that we took with these conditional buys, which is just, again, my own thoughts that I'm quickly sharing with you guys. This is regarding conditional buys. Again, the grayscale thing I just briefly explained to you guys, I honestly think it is a very smart idea to follow the big money, see what they're buying. They're buying grayscale. They bought Matic recently, not grayscale, but the big money. I think XRP is being bought in the background a lot because of this lawsuit. You guys have seen Solana got sued, not by the SEC. I'm gonna stand up maybe for a little bit more light. Not by the SEC, but they did get sued. You gotta remember this, right? Because those, hey, this might be better in terms of light. Those are the ones we want to go for. If they're being sued by the SEC or by some other party, you know, okay, the moment that they do end up winning some lawsuit, psychologically, that's a big thing to go for. Then again, they might lose. I'm not so read up on whether or not Solana is in a good position. But if they win though, right? Think about it. Same thing for Solana. One very big tip. Every single time they go down, I buy massively because every single time it comes back up, people also hoard it. So it's a very smart thing to do. But I just wanted to get you guys into my thoughts regarding XRP. And one last thing, Jim McCallum is going to be done selling in, I think, 3 more days. He has 13 million XRP left. He's selling 4 million XRP a day. 3 more days, 4 more days, and then that 1% selling pressure of the volume every single day is gone. 9 billion XRP finally gone. Very classical moment, right, in the crypto space. But yeah, hopefully, now I did not record this for nothing. Hopefully my footage really was corrupted. Otherwise, I wasted some time. But yeah, make sure you press the like button if you enjoyed it. What can you comment down below? I guess, nice grass, bro. Yeah, maybe a dog pissed on that. We can't do anything about it. Just type nice grass down below if you watch this video all the way through. See you guys again in another crypto video. Just a little update and a little thought, you know, manifestation, whatever. Adios.